Hello, what's up, guys? How's it going? It's Dr. Crypto here. We are again back with another market update session. Today, we will analyze BTC on 4-hour time, 30-minute time frame. In previous market update session, you can, if you want to confirm, you can go back into my previous video, or I will just drop the link for you guys in the description. Those who want to confirm, this price was around this area when 99.99 traders on Twitter as well Telegram, they were bullish, but I confidently on YouTube came and told you that we are not bullish, and going long from this area would not be a good option. Why? Because USDT dominance was also quite bullish, so that's why we warned you not to go long on altcoins. Okay, so today we will also analyze BTC. We traded the same move with you guys on my free Telegram channel as well, where we got almost 7% profit. Okay, and our stop loss was around 26,000. So we traded the same move with you guys as well with my VIPs on uh, Discord. We traded lots of trades with our VIPs in last 2 to 3 days. We first was short on BTC, which we made 45% profit on two targets with just 10x. Okay, so you can see the leverage is just 10, and our two targets give us 45% profit. Okay, so that's an awesome risk management. The other trade was basically Atom in USDT pair for futures, which hit our one target and it gave us 40% profit, though this entry was little late, but this trade gave us 40% profit on first TP with just 10x leverage, so that's also very cool risk management. So the third trade was AAVE, that basically hit our two targets and gave us 50% profit with just 10x leverage, so this also better risk management. So beside this, we lost a trade as well with SXP in USDT pair. We lost 30% in this. We suffered losses as well, but the loss is just first target of our trade, so it's quite easy to recover the loss. Okay, it's just piece of game to recover this. The other trade was BTC, where we short BTC from 25,200, and this trade gave us 80% profit with just 10x leverage. And the third and fourth trade were Cause and Jasmine in BTC pairs, which gave us 40% non-leverage profits. So beside this is our gains section, where these guys post their gains. So you can see that our gains section is green as usual. So if you also want to join us on Discord, you can DM us on Telegram or Twitter. We will let you know what the criteria to join us on Discord. So let's get into the video. Currently we are on BTC USD 4-hour time frame. So in previous market update session, I had told you that this low got broken. So what will happen next? We had been shifted from weak hands towards strong hands in the case of bearish sentiments, and where most of orders lied, I told you that most of orders for now lie at this area, at this area, and this area. So what other traders would now be seeing? So let's jump into this video. So what would they be seeing for now is they would be considering this area to be as area of support, might be this area or might be this area. So they will find long opportunities either from this area or either from this area. Currently there are two type of traders for now in market. First type of traders are those traders who will short BTC from the retest of this trend line, and the other type of traders are those who are waiting for the test of this support to long BTC. So currently these people who are waiting for the retest of the trend line to short BTC are being in FOMO, and they are thinking so they might miss this whole rally towards downwards, so they might short from current area. So if price drop toward this area, they will move towards upward, and those traders who are short from this area will be liquidated. So if we zoom the same chart, what would we see? Those retail traders who were considering this area to be as support, basically the test of the trend line like this area, so they got kicked out. That's why we warned you again and again that liquidity lies below this trend line, so not to long BTC. So those traders got kicked out from the market, and now price moved towards downwards, liquidating all those traders who were considering this area to be as a okay to be this area to be as a support. Okay, so the question is basically what am I expecting from market? Okay, so I might be basically completely wrong, or I might be correct, but this does not mean you to blindfoldedly trust my analysis. Okay, so do your own research before you are following any influencer or any analyzer. Okay, so what am I expecting? Price may come medicate into next 2 to 3 hours, or might be into 7 to 8 hours. price might mitigate into this area, but this is not the zone to short BTC. Okay, so you will not get a quite good entry if you short BTC from current area. Okay, so price might mitigate into this area, then we might see a small bounce in price, trapping those traders who are considering this area to be a support. The institutional traders will move the price first in their desired direction and not testing this trend line, and then price might mitigate into this area or might mitigate into this area. So liquidity lies toward this and this, which might be grabbed before going move up. Okay, so when will we long BTC? So this is the second question. So currently we have current high towards 24,500. As far as price is below 24,500, we will find to make profits from short trades as more as possible. Okay, if price breaks 24,500, then we will find long opportunities, but as far as price is below this zone, we will find shorts. Okay, so this was today's market update session. Hope so it's clear for you to predict the next move. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go towards 1,000 subscribers. Okay, we are just on 535 subscribers. Okay, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram as well. Follow me on Twitter as well, because we have just 290 followers on Twitter. Okay, so make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. So this was today's market update session. We will be back with another market update video, might be tomorrow or might be the next day. So thank you very much.